great. Meaning this can't be true. Because which means this has to be true. Which means that needs to be true. Okay. Actually, I don't know for sure if these are X's. This could be part of the 2. Actually. Not that. So that we're gonna have there. Meaning we have another 1 somewhere. But that needs to be blank because of the 2 there. Alright. Now we need 1, so 1 there. And it could be at the top, or it could be... I don't know. Alright, well. Which means there has to be a 1 somewhere. So that would have to be the 1. So we know there has to be 5. These have to be in the 5. The question is, meaning that also has to be in there. That would have to be in the 5. Alright, so at this point we have a few things known. We also know that these need to be by themselves. Not this one, though. Because this needs to be a 2. Meaning these need to make a 3. That needs to make a 2. Alright. Okay, so we have... that needs to be an X. Those need to have X's. Right now I'm using X's because I'm trying to stay on track here, meaning these pretty much need X's. This needs to be a 3, so that has to be an X. Don't know exactly where the 3 is, but you know it's in that top box. Alright. You know there has to be 2 2s, 2 1s, and a... well, 2 2s and 2 1s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Among 9, we have 11 boxes. That's not as helpful. Well. Okay. We know we need a 3. I really don't want to have to resort to doing the, dealing with the rows. I was hoping we could stick the columns, but unfortunately that's not what's going to happen. Alright, well we know that that needs to be true, meaning that can't be true. Meaning that has to be true, meaning that can't be true. So we know either the top one or the second row one has to be true. We also know we need a 3 here. So it has to be this and this. This needs to be here because it can't be next to that one. So there's our 3. Alright. We are slowly making some progress here. This is starting to look like an actual picture. Okay. Meaning it can't be next to this one. Meaning we need that 2. Can't be next to there. Can't be next to here. Can't be next to here. Alright. We need a 1 and a 1. This needs to be a 2. Meaning that needs to make 4. And the rest of that row is done. The rest of this column is done. Fair enough. Alright, we also know that has to be empty. We also know that these need to be empty or filled respectively. Alright. This definitely needs to be part of the 4 because it can't possibly be part of the 2. Meaning the 2 need to be on the other end. So this needs to be part of the 2. I.e. these 2 need to be blank. Alright. Which means we now know that this needs to be empty. This needs to not be empty. That needs to be included. Empty, empty. Now we know there has to be a 3 somewhere. That has to be part of the 3.